Notice I just keep making sure it's not sticking to the surface, because when I pick up my strips, I don't want them to stretch. Okay, so for this one, you take a 1-inch ruler, place it down, and you want to cut on both sides of the ruler. Now move it right over, do the same thing. And I should need one more. Okay, then at the bottom here, I want to cut a straight line. Take it, flip it over, use a brush and some water. Just right in the middle, it doesn't have to be everywhere. And center this. Take it and then push it in. You can even pull some off, or you can cut it with the scissors, whatever you want to do. There's going to be some tissue paper in there, so no need to worry. Push that underneath a bit. And then these others are going to go on the top. Okay, so I want to line it up with that one. Like so. Bring that over. And on this one, I'll cut and I'll just tuck it under a little bit. Buttercream. Okay, 2 more of those. One back here. I'll turn it. Now this one I can't really tuck in because the box is just kind of leaning there, so just bring that one right down there, and that's it. I just have to turn it towards me for a minute just to make sure I line it up. Back to you. There you go. And one more. There we go. Okay, now I need to roll this out and make the thinner strips, so I need 4 of those. Okay, so I have this rolled out, and this is actually a pasta cutter, and it's going to cut strips that are just about a 1/2 inch wide, which is awesome. So I take it like this, and if you don't have this, then just look for something that cuts, or you'll just have to move your ruler over so that you get 1/2 inch width strips. And you need 4 of these per side. Take one, flip it over, little water on the back, and I just need one here. Cut and tuck that in. Stay down there. Okay, and then at the bottom, just make sure that you tuck those in. And then I'm going to need to go to the dark green, so I'll roll that out. Now we have an herb mincer that makes awesome strips too. You just put it down, make sure you push real hard, and then you'll cut little strips. If you don't have that, then you just need to cut 1/4 inch strips of the darker green. Flip them over, and these go in between the other greens. So you do put one on the corner here. Tuck it in. Make sure they come apart there. So you're going to use 6 on each side. Obviously you can do any kind of package down here at the bottom. You could make it a little bit more simple. Just put some little holly sprigs on it instead of having all the stripes, but I wanted stripes. So once they're on, you can just go back and move them over a little bit. Sometimes I use this to push them over if they're not quite straight. And then the last, or this isn't the last one, second to last one. Yeah, ta-da! Tuck this one under a tad bit. There we go. And I've got these on. Okay, next thing I want to do is get out my gold paint, and we'll move to the next step.